Hi friends, thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to make this beautiful 3-layer Irish crochet rose piece using a 3mm crochet hook and some of this green yarn. The pattern that we're following it's from this legendary Irish crochet book in Mandarin, and this is pattern 3. I've already uploaded tutorials on pattern 1 and 2. Today we're going to crack on with 3. I hope that this video is helpful for you. Let's get into it. Like that. And then we are going to place 12 single crochets in this center space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Go ahead and slip stitch into the first chain space. That's the center foundation of our piece complete. Next, we're going to chain 3. We're going to go ahead, skip the first chain, and we are going to slip stitch into the following chain space. We're going to repeat this all the way around until we have 6 petals in total. So again, skip the next chain, slip stitch, chain 3, skip the next stitch, slip stitch, chain 3, skip the next stitch, slip stitch, chain 3, skip the next stitch, slip stitch, chain 3, and the last one, slip stitch. So we now have 6 spaces to work our petals into. For the first space, we're going to go into it by doing a single crochet. We're going to do a half double crochet, and then we're going to drop 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Half double crochet, and then a single crochet. And we are going to go ahead and slip stitch in between these 2 petals. I find that this really helps define the petals. Go into the next petal space, do a single crochet, half double crochet, 3 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, half double crochet, single crochet. Slip stitch into the base between the 2 petals. Go straight into the next petal space with a single crochet, a half double crochet, 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, half double crochet, single crochet. Slip stitch into the base between these 2 petals. And now we're going to go straight into the next petal space by doing a single crochet, do a half double crochet, 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, half double crochet, single crochet, slip stitch in between these 2 petals, go straight into the next petal space, single crochet, half double crochet, 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, half double crochet, single crochet, slip stitch between these 2 petals, go straight into the next petal space, single crochet, half double crochet, 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, half double crochet, single crochet, slip stitch into the first petal space. That is our first round very much complete. Let's now look at making the second row to work the petals into. For this row, we're gonna turn our work around. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to single crochet or slip stitch between these two posts in this center space here between the two posts. I single crochet because I'm lazy. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Same thing between these two petals. Single crochet, chain 4, 3, 4 between these two petals. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again between these two petals. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 between these two petals. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 between these two petals, and that's the last one. I always like to just add a slip stitch into the first chain, into the first petal base, just to pull the work together. Now we're going to turn around and we're going to start to work petals into these petal spaces. So into each back petal space we're going to work a single crochet, a half double crochet, and 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, half double crochet, single crochet. And I like to slip stitch between the two posts just to really define the petal. You can single crochet or slip stitch in the center before you move on to the next post. I'm gonna single crochet in the next post, half double crochet, 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, half double crochet, single crochet. And again, before I go into the next post, I am going to slip stitch. Now I'm going to go into the next post, single crochet, half double crochet, and I'm going to do 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, half double crochet, single crochet, and of course I'm going to slip stitch into the next space. Single crochet, half double crochet, 5 double crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5, half double crochet, single crochet. I'm going to slip stitch between I go before I go into the next space, and then the next space I'm going to go single crochet, half double crochet, 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, half double crochet, single crochet. And I'm going to slip stitch between the two posts. In the final post I'm going to work again a single crochet, half double crochet, 5 double crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5, half double crochet, single crochet. And I'm going to just slip stitch into that first petal space there, or between these two chain spaces. This is row 2 nice and complete. We're now going to work our third row. Again, we're going to turn our work around and we're going to make back posts. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in between the two petals we're going to do a single crochet or a slip stitch. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet or slip stitch. Chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet or slip stitch between the 2 petals, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, single crochet or slip stitch, chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet or slip stitch between these 2 petals, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, final back post. And as always, I like to just slip stitch into the first chain to pull the work all together. Now we're going to turn the work back around and we're going to work into this final row of petals. What we're going to do is we're going to do a single crochet, 1 half double crochet. We're going to work 7 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, half double crochet, single crochet. I am gonna slip stitch in between these 2 posts as always before I go into the next back post. In the next back post I'm gonna repeat a single crochet, half double crochet, 7 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, half double crochet, single crochet. Between these 2 spaces I will do a slip stitch. I'm heading into the next back post now. I'll do a single crochet, a half double crochet, 7 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, half double crochet, single crochet. Between these 2 spaces I will drop a slip stitch. Onto the next post, back post rather, single crochet, half double crochet, 7 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, half double crochet, single crochet, slip stitch between the 2 spaces. Next back post, single crochet, half double crochet, 7 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, half double crochet, single crochet, and slip stitch between these 2 spaces, and we're in the last petal space with a single crochet, a half double crochet, 7 double crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, half double crochet, single crochet, and then I'm going to slip stitch between the 2 posts just to finish my work off there. That is our 3-layer beautiful Irish crochet motif created using the legendary 100 crochet book. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please like, comment and subscribe. I am hoping to do 100 tutorials using the 100 patterns in the book. So that is a work in progress. Please follow my journey while I deliver that for you. Have a blessed day. Bye.